big scale cars. That's pretty sick. Oh, this one's actually a Hot Wheels. Never seen that before. Morning.
Morning.
You don't have no single Hot Wheels cars, do you?
I don't think I brought them. I've got a ton of them, but they're all in the packages, so I put them in display cases on the wall in my garage.
How much you asking for this guy?
$20.
$20 on that?
That's kind of a rare item.
Nice. I've never seen that before. It's pretty cool. Got the trailer hits and everything.
The I bought it was in the El Camino.
Oh, this is like an El Camino truck kind of.
Yeah.
It's a nice bolt it's got in there too, with the trailer and everything. Nice cracker box racer. Fireworks.
What are these going for?
$5 a piece.
$5? Okay.
Oh man. Going another little hole. Oh, $7 on this guy. Or no, $2. The Countach. Pretty nice. But this is a Matchbox. This Xander. It's a Ferrari wannabe. Pretty nice. 57. Porsche here. $2 on the Porsche. Definitely $2. Definitely gonna have to pick that one up. Put one JZ in there or what? Firebird. This one. Doors open up. And 56 Crown Victoria. $2. This is Xander's again. This is $2 too. Got the Falcon. Camaro. Another Lambo here. Countach. Oh, here's another one of those guys. $3 on it. And that emblem's too big. What else we got here? BMW. A couple more Ferraris. These are old school RX-7s. I knew it. RX-7. Asking $5 on that. It's a FB. What else we got here? Alfa Romeo. It's a Challenger, $2. Oh, we got some supers here. $20. 25, $60 on the Demon. Oh man, it's the Jags Demon. Got a truck there. Regular treasure hunts. 25. $5 on this one. This is an error. Oh, missing wheels. Quality control there. Alright, on to some loose cars. Boom, off the bat. Another SC. Dude. Look at this. Like an R7 just sitting there. Oh, beautiful. What else we got in here? Golf. Cuda. Here's a Combi. And an old school Eclipse. Got this Ferrari. Oh man, the axle's all rusted out. Super 37 Golf F50. There's a Camaro Flames. One of those guys. Escort. Kudos. Old school Ferrari. Alright, what do we got here? Lambo wannabe. Enzo. Ooh.
Yeah, about 20-25 years ago. That's what I did for a living.
350. Look at some top secret. Sick. GT40. There's another one. Mustang 7 old school Raptor.
These are original tires.
Scooby Doo.
They're not bad.
Brand is this? Racing Champions. Camaro. Martin. Jaguar. Cuda. That's it. Oh, gotcha.
Give it to their buddies. You can't get it.
Yeah.
For customizing Hotwheels?
I do customize too.
Okay, here, I can open it for you.
Okay. They're just mainly mainline wheels, huh?
Some real riders from different makes.
Yeah.
Where did that come on? Johnny Lightning or something? Here's some bigger, older ones.
Oh yeah. There's some old
there's some different styles. I would
Nice.
put rubber tires on the car so I take most of these off, you know?
Oh yeah. Nice.
Did I bring any? I didn't bring any restorations that I did.
Oh well.
I customized a bunch. I should have brought some. I don't think I did.
You just mainly do like old school muscle cars, don't you?
Muscle cars or no cars, yeah.
Oh.
I love muscle cars. I got a 68 Firebird 400 Ram Air.
Wow, nice. I'm mainly in it for the Japanese kind of cars.
Okay. Yeah, there isn't much here, I'll tell you. Of that.
So.
Some Ferraris. How about this? You probably got that.
No.
Probably got that.
Ferraris, you said?
What is that?
Oh no, this is a Lotus.
Lotus. Okay, see, you know I don't. I know it's foreign.
Yeah.
Trying to look.
Lotus. Okay.
Some oddball stuff. This, you know, must be a Corvette.
Nice.
Old Matchbox. These are kind of cool. I hate to put this stuff out
Yeah, definitely.
until the fog lifts. You know? No foreign there.
I think later today is supposed to get nicer.
Yeah. Yeah, it can't come soon enough. Nothing there. Here's one on the card.
Oh, nice.
I can do better on the price.
Aw.
That's it for foreign stuff.
Bone shakers. Some Galaxies. Cuda. Nice. Check these guys out.
That's right. Don't worry about it.
Some Johnny Lightnings. Auto World. Datsun, pretty nice.
It's a little older too. These were hard to find in the stores.
Yeah. I've never seen those on pegs.
I've never seen those either. I had to find them at a garage sale. Yeah. Yeah, kind of cool.
Get some gassers over here. Camaro. More gassers. That's a nice gasser right there. Bel Air gasser. How much for this guy? Oh, 10.
How about $8?
$8. I'll probably pick that up.
Masters are popular.
Yeah, they are.
Are very popular.
Subaru Brat. 15 on this one. I've never seen this one before. It's like straight metal. It's another Zymac. That's an old school premium card. Man, look at those wheels. Chargers, Hotwheels, Red Lions, old school. Kit.
Yeah, they actually work, you know that?
Yep.
Yeah, cool.
Camaro.
Valve here hooks up the
Convertible.
Black hose goes in the
So he's got a treasure hunt down there. Just a basic.
Cool. Now back to the real toys.
Camaro, Baja Blazers, Couple Camaro, the Chevelle.
Before he got it, that's what he told me. He's like, yeah, it really works. You gotta take it outside, look at the hose.
The little hoses aren't all brittle now.
They are
Camaro.
in really good shape still. I was just like,
60s Camaro, Chevelle. Very nice.
Fire truck here, 59. Show, and I forgot this was that one too. But it's not as nice as the truck. They go quick. They're nice. I restored these.
Oh, Super B.
Even recently.
Always a fan of Super Bs. That's a Johnny Lightning.
That's what I did for a living. Restored it. So it's fun. Yeah. like it when they were restorable.
Barracuda. This one's pretty sick. $7 on this one. Custom 62 with the surfboard.
It's gonna browse with me. Yeah, it's a fun part. You never know what you're gonna find. I got a bag of polar bear here.
What's over here?
That's true. Nobody's got that here. I got a lot of fly fishing stuff my neighbor had. And in one bag's a huge bag of polar bear here from Alaska.
Wow.
Flying ties. Tie and fly.
Oh.
A lot of cool stuff. That trapper's basket on the ground over there. That's kind of cool.
Yeah, this is pretty sick.
Yeah, you never know what you're gonna find.
Dang, look at this one. F250.
Before we went to a
It's got those ladders on the railings. That is sick.
I'd like to find that.
20 on that one.
Nice. You never know.
Yeah.
That's why you go.
Man, he can do $50 on this demon. Oh, so tempting.
I mean, now you
You got the old school demon supers here.
I have one like that.
Cougar over there for 20. There's Moon Ice. Old school super. C10. Man, I wonder when this came out. $40 on that. Johnny Lightnings. And this is like a very good treasure hunt I got. And this cougar over here. I already have this guy. $20 on him. Looks a little sunburned. DMC DeLorean. Man, I wonder when this came out. Old school. Man, look at this card protector. GTO. The Real Riders, no. Pretty sick. Old school Camaros. Very nice. Ooh, look at this gem right here. Never seen this thing around. It's a Scion. This thing looks like it's got